We're looking here at a beautiful, circa 1923, large oversized folio sheet city plan of Amsterdam. It's interesting in that it's got a number of the key and important structures within the city shown in a near cartoon manner of bird's eye prospect view. It's overprinted in red to show the train stations and lines. It does have a supplement at the upper left of an outlying area of the city, and it's actually published by De Lange, who is a well-known name in Amsterdam history. And this uncommon color lithographed early 20th century map is available on my website, briandimambro.com.